Antalya, a city on Turkey's southwestern coast along the Mediterranean Sea, is a dazzling destination where ancient history meets breathtaking natural beauty. Known for its stunning beaches, rich cultural heritage, and vibrant atmosphere, Antalya offers an array of attractions and experiences that captivate travelers from around the world. This guide will take you through 12 must-see spots in Antalya, each providing a unique glimpse into the city's charm and allure. 1. Kaleiçi, Old Town. Start your exploration of Antalya with a visit to Kaleiçi, the city's historic old town. This enchanting area is a labyrinth of narrow, cobbled streets lined with traditional Ottoman-era houses, now converted into charming boutique hotels, restaurants, and shops. As you wander through Kaleiçi, you'll encounter historic landmarks such as Hadrian's Gate and the Clock Tower, along with picturesque views of the old city walls. The blend of historical architecture and modern amenities makes Kaleiçi a delightful place to explore, offering a glimpse into Antalya's past while enjoying its contemporary vibrancy. 2. Hadrian's Gate. Located at the entrance to Kaleiçi, Hadrian's Gate is a grand monument dedicated to the Roman Emperor Hadrian, who visited the city in 130 AD. This well-preserved triumphal arch is adorned with intricate carvings and offers a striking example of Roman architecture. The gate's 3 arches are framed by towering columns, and its historical significance and architectural beauty make it a must-visit landmark in Antalya. 3. Dudun Waterfalls. Escape to nature with a visit to the Dudun Waterfalls, a stunning natural attraction located just outside the city centre. The waterfalls are split into 2 main sections, the Upper Dudun Waterfall and the Lower Dudun Waterfall. The Upper Dudun Waterfall cascades into a lush park area, creating a serene setting for picnics and leisurely walks. The Lower Dudun Waterfall, which flows directly into the Mediterranean Sea, is an awe-inspiring sight, offering spectacular views and photo opportunities. The surrounding greenery and tranquil ambience make the Dudun Waterfalls a perfect retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. 4. Antalya Museum. Immerse yourself in the rich history and culture of Antalya at the Antalya Museum. This extensive museum showcases a diverse collection of artifacts from the region's ancient civilizations, including the Greeks, Romans, and Byzantines. Highlights of the museum include impressive statues, intricate mosaics, and ancient coins. The museum's exhibits provide a comprehensive overview of Antalya's historical development, making it an essential stop for history enthusiasts and curious travelers alike. 5. Konyaaltı Beach. For sun, sea, and sand, head to Konyaaltı Beach, one of Antalya's most popular coastal destinations. This expansive pebbled beach stretches along the city's western coastline, offering stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea and the Taurus Mountains. Visitors can enjoy sunbathing, swimming, and a variety of water sports, or simply relax at one of the many beachside cafes and restaurants. The beach's lively atmosphere and scenic beauty make it a favourite spot for both locals and tourists. 6. Lara Beach. Another top beach destination is Lara Beach, known for its golden sands and crystal-clear waters. This long stretch of beach is perfect for a day of relaxation and recreation. The area is well equipped with facilities such as sunbeds, umbrellas, and beachfront restaurants. Lara Beach also features several upscale hotels and resorts, making it a popular choice for those seeking a luxurious beach experience. The beach's pristine environment and excellent amenities contribute to its reputation as one of Antalya's premier coastal attractions. 7. Termessos. Venture into the ancient ruins of Termessos, a well-preserved archaeological site located in the Taurus Mountains. Termessos was a Pisidian city renowned for its strategic location and impressive fortifications. The site features ancient theatres, temples, and city walls, all set against a dramatic mountain backdrop. Hiking through Termessos offers a unique opportunity to explore the remains of a once thriving civilization while enjoying stunning panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. 8. Antalya Aquarium. A family-friendly attraction, the Antalya Aquarium provides an immersive underwater experience. The aquarium is home to a diverse collection of marine life, including sharks, rays, and colourful fish. One of the main highlights is the Oceanarium, one of the largest underwater tunnels in the world, which allows visitors to walk through and observe marine creatures from all angles. The aquarium also features interactive exhibits, educational displays, and a 3D cinema, making it a fun and educational destination for visitors of all ages. 9. Duden Park. Adjacent to the Duden waterfalls, Duden Park is a scenic green space ideal for picnics and leisurely strolls. The park is adorned with beautifully landscaped gardens, walking paths, and picturesque water features. Visitors can enjoy the serene environment, relax by the waterfalls, and take in the natural beauty of the park. The tranquil setting and well-maintained grounds make Duden Park a lovely place to unwind and connect with nature. 10. Purge Ancient City. Purge Ancient City. Explore the impressive ruins of Purge, an ancient city located just a short drive from Antalya. Purge was a major city in the Roman province of Pamphylia and is renowned for its well-preserved ruins, including a large Roman theatre, a stadium, and a bustling agora. The ancient city's extensive remains provide a fascinating glimpse into its historical significance and architectural grandeur. Walking through Purge's ancient streets and marvelling at its historical monuments is a captivating experience for history buffs and curious travellers. 11. Olympos and Kerala. For a combination of natural beauty and historical intrigue, visit the areas of Olympos and Kerala. Olympos is an ancient city known for its ruins, including a theatre, baths, and an acropolis, set amidst a lush forested landscape. Nearby, Kerala Beach offers a peaceful retreat with its soft sands and clear waters. Both areas are also famous for the nearby Chimaera, natural gas flames that have been burning from the rocks for thousands of years. The combination of historical ruins, natural wonders, and scenic beauty makes Olympos and Kerala a memorable destination. 12. Antalya's Old Harbour. Conclude your visit to Antalya with a stroll around the Old Harbour, a picturesque marina that blends historical charm with modern amenities. The harbour, with its charming boats and historic architecture, offers a lovely setting for a leisurely walk or a boat tour. Visitors can enjoy waterfront dining at the many restaurants and cafes lining the harbour, while taking in the scenic views of the Mediterranean Sea and the city's historic buildings. The Old Harbour's inviting atmosphere and scenic beauty make it a perfect place to relax and soak in the essence of Antalya. Antalya, with its blend of historical landmarks, natural wonders, and modern amenities, provides an enriching experience for travellers. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, relaxing on beautiful beaches, or discovering vibrant cultural sites, Antalya offers something for everyone. Its unique combination of history, nature, and modern attractions ensures a memorable visit to this stunning Mediterranean city.